Hi friends, today on Due to the Travel Bug, we are leaving the kiddos at home to do a grown-ups weekend at the historic and luxurious Hotel Hershey. The Hotel Hershey is located in central Pennsylvania in Hershey, the sweetest place on earth. This magnificent hotel was built by Milton Hershey in the 1930s on a hill overlooking his chocolate factory. Hershey is a historic hotel of America with refined elegance and an abundance of amenities, many of their amenities containing chocolate. All right, so this is our standard room. Bathroom. Not much to it, tastefully done though. It looks like a nice, comfy bed. Let's see. And no view. There we go. That's, oh well. We went with the most economical on this trip because we know how to spend our money. It's gonna be on chocolate and massages, right, Jim?
Yep.
That's what you do in Hershey. So something a little extra special about their rooms is they all have special spa Hershey Hotel toiletries. So everything, the lotion, the conditioner, the shampoos, and body scrubs are all chocolate mandarin scent. So I love a good toiletry, so this is a good one. Another perk for staying at the Hotel Hershey is guests get free admission tickets into the Hershey Story Museum and the Hershey Gardens, both a great way to spend the day. So Hershey PA with their amusement park and chocolate world, you don't think of it as a luxurious adult destination, but this is one of the most beautiful hotels we've ever stayed in. Leave the kids at home. So we're at the Iberian Lounge and we ordered some grown-up cocktails. And when at the Hershey, you have to get a chocolate martini. They're so good. Cheers.
Cheers.
Locker room. And this is where they do their whipped cocoa bath soaks. Are you ready for your cocoa massage, mister?
I am ready.
Are you feeling all zen with the water feature?
Feeling like I haven't had chocolate.
So, how was your chocolate massage, Mr. Gibbs?
Very chocolatey.
Yeah, you smell delicious.
Yeah.
You know, the chocolate's kind of a gimmick here at Hershey. You know, everything's chocolate, but
It works.
It does. It works in this. But my therapist was incredibly talented, and it was just a great service.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
And then you get chocolate after.
And then you get chocolate after. A chocolate overkill.
Hot chocolate, Hershey's Kisses.
Yeah. Good stuff.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.